Are you looking for tips to improve your productivity? According to a famous proverb, the state of your home reflects the condition of your mind. In other words, if your home is neat and clean, it means that your mind is free of unwanted thoughts. The same goes for your office. If your office is free of mess, you can be more focused and productive. On the other hand, experts think that an organized office can make it harder to make decisions. As we continue, we encourage you to please like, share and subscribe to watch more of these videos. Whether your business is small or big, you must have a clean and organized office space. The thing is that a neat and clean office can improve employee productivity. You can improve your productivity with these cleaning tips. Keep your office desks free of dust. Working in an environment full of clutter reduces your employees' morale. On top of this, it can cause your employees to fall sick in the worst-case scenario. As a result, your office productivity will go down due to absenteeism. Therefore, you may want to dust your office desks daily to prevent the accumulation of dust particles. You should remove all of the items from the counters before wiping down the surfaces at least once per week. With this approach, you can create a healthy environment for your employees. Empty your trash cans regularly. There is no need to wait for the trash containers to become full of the trash before you empty them. Over time, germs and bacteria continue to accumulate in the trash cans. If you don't control their growth, they can spread across your workplace. Therefore, we suggest that you empty your trash cans daily. It is good to purchase a separate trash can for each workstation or office desk. The idea is to make it easier for your employees to dispose of office waste. In addition, they should be able to access the trash cans without leaving their desk. Clean the floor daily. If your office is full of dirt and dust, it can hurt your employees' productivity. Similarly, a dirty office may turn off your customers and clients. The beauty of a clean office is that it can make a great first impression on your prospects. Plus, it encourages them to return and purchase from you instead of your competitors. So, you may want to clean your office floors at the end of the day, as it may create a safe and well-arranged space for your staff. Clean your telephones and smartphones. Since your mobile phone is with you no matter where you go, these devices can collect a lot of germs and bacteria over time. Therefore, your smartphone can be a source of germs and bacteria unless you disinfect them daily. Therefore, you may want to adopt cleaning your smartphone every day. For this purpose, you can use antibacterial wipes or sanitizers. These inexpensive liquids can help eliminate germs and bacteria and prevent cross-contamination. After all, your staff can only be protected if they are free of germs and bacteria. Get rid of the stink. If you don't clean your floors and carpets regularly, they will produce a pungent smell. In this case, your employees will have reduced morale. As a result, they will have a low productivity level. In addition, the stinky environment will distract your staff from their goals and duties. So, you may want to clean your carpets properly. Apart from this, you may also use room fresheners in your offices. With these steps, you can increase productivity and improve your employee concentration. Ultimately, this approach can help grow your business revenue. Reduces absenteeism. If you reduce employee absenteeism, you can promote employee productivity to a great extent. In other words, if you reduce the number of sick days, you can enjoy a higher employee productivity level. So, the million-dollar question is, how can you achieve this goal? You can achieve this goal if you keep your employees healthy. We know that healthy employees can be more productive. If you want to keep bacteria at bay, regular cleanings are essential. We know that bacteria can cause health issues. Long story short, you can follow these tips to improve your productivity. Keeping your office neat and clean is a stroke of genius if you want to grow your business. If you are looking for a professional cleaning company, we suggest trying out FastKlean, a professional cleaning company. It is one of the best cleaners out there. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 6 simple ways to remove offensive smells in your home. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.